This method will save you lots of money and time. The presence of colored water means that the toilet has a fault and not the underwall water pipes. We found a water leak at the side of the toilet bowl. For best results, use red or green food colorant to color the water. Pour some food colorant into the cistern. Place a clean paper towel on the floor. Please do not flush the toilet, because the water has to change to a bright red color. Please flush after 10 minutes. The paper towel will absorb water and change color. For best results, use red or green food colorant.